Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Snapchat AI chatbot. So it's an extremely easy thing. All you have to do is go to Snapchat, then click on the message section, and in the chat section, you should look for a chat called My AI, which you can see right over here. Now it could be anywhere in the list, you have to find it. Or you can always use the search option to find that as well. Now, the moment you will click on My AI, a small pop-up will appear. And in this small pop-up window, the My AI will describe itself. Now, you can read it if you want to, or just simply click on OK. And now you're completely in the interface of My AI. And it is exactly similar to ChatGPT and other AI softwares. You can just simply do normal conversation with it. So, you can just simply type something and hit send. And now it will give you the reply within a few seconds, as you can see. So in My AI, there are a lot of settings that you can play with. For example, in the chat itself, you will have the option to upload images if you choose the camera option at the bottom. Then you can just simply record your voice and upload that. Even with a voice recording, it will be able to answer you. Then you can just simply add stickers, QR codes, images, whatever you need. You can just simply upload here and use it just like ChatGPT. Now, the best part about My AI is it can actually become a personal friend. So let me explain what I mean. Over here, you will see that it has an option called Customize My Personality. So what you can do is just simply click on the My AI username at the very top. Now, over here, you have to describe the personality that the AI should have. Now, you can use other AI to create a very good persona or a personality for this AI, and then it can become a friend companion type AI on Snapchat. So the more detailed bio you will give this AI, the more human-like interaction it will give you. Just to check, you can just simply click on randomize bio right over here, and it will give a random bio over here. But there is a thing that you should know. In order to actually create a personality for your AI, you will need to get the premium subscription or Snapchat Plus. Over here, you can see that you can create a bio for your AI at the very top, and you will also have much more AI features, as you can see right over here. So if you want to create a persona for your AI, you need to get the subscription. So that's it. And if this was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.